Have you ever heard about social network analysis? It sounds a bit hard, right? But this video, we are going to explain it the easy way and show you the benefit and results of doing social network analysis. We assume that we are the toy artists who want to explain the market share, market cap. So let's see how social network analysis can help us. Let's see it.
This video, we're gonna talk about how to do market expansion and the strongest influencer in art toy Thailand by using SNA. We split to be 5 contents. The first one, the overview of art toy social network community. The second one, we tell you about our objective and assumption. Third, we want to explain you more about characteristics of Node and A. And the fourth, we provide the business solution. The last one, about the result and benefit from using SNA. The business overview, we are showing you the main 3 nodes of art toy social network community. First is art toy fan page community. This page is provide content about art toy trend, event, activity, sales gallery, and any information that collector should know. The second one, the designer or artist. In Thailand, we have several types of art toys, such as parody, realistic. Sometimes the designer they design and promote by themselves. So the follower of artist fan page is significant to the artist revenue and reputation. For the art toy fan club, it's the collector and people who enchanted art toy. The business objective, by using social network analysis, we want to gain market share and market capitalization, and also we want to develop new product and classify potential partner. And the last one, we want to analyze relationship of people inside the social network of art toy. For our assumption, the market research tell us that there are potential followers or new collector from our fan base. The second one, the artist toy business is a social commerce on Facebook platform, and our analysis based on Node and 8 on the next slide.
In the following section, we will proceed to provide an explanation. Node and 8 Node represent an individual entity within a social network, and Node can be represent various entities such as individual, organization, or event concept. Depending on the context of analysis, node can be classified into categories. The first one regarding page node are the following type. Art toy page. This refers to a page focused on the sale and promotion of art toy. Marvel Thailand fan page. This denotes a fan page that exhibits a deep interest in various Marvel products such as movies and collectibles, including action figures. Traveler 1 is the page dedicated to representing diverse travel activity and destination. Second, user node can be subcategorized into follower and influencer. Follower is regular user who follow and engage with the page. Influencer who possess a substantial following and have the power to influence others. Size of node is referred to the number of followers. A also referred to a link or a tie, represent the relationship or connection between nodes in a social network. It signifies the interaction, association, dependency between nodes. In this project, engage also referred to as a link or a tie, represent the relationship or connection between nodes in a social network. It signifies the interaction, association, or dependency between nodes. In this project, A is the connection and collaboration between nodes through various forms of engagement such as like, comment, and share. Additionally, A can be assigned score based on their level of engagement, which is categorized into 3 levels. Value T. This rating is assigned to node with or engagement exceed 100 times per week. Value 2. Node with engagement ranking between 50 and 100 times per week. Value 1. Node with engagement ranking between 1 and 50 times per week.
Next is business solution. So we use the social network graph to capture all of the social network designer toy community in Thailand, which we have 1 community and 3 artist styles page, and the yellow one are the followers who follow whatever style they like. So how can we use this as a benefit with our strategies? We tend to use the go-to marketing strategy with 2 aspects, product and the market. So if we apply the graph now, we can know that our whole market have some sizings of our current users, the users who follow the news in the communities, and even if we have new products to share, it's still in the same old tank. the red ocean, or we can be bold, go to the second-hand toy premium. This cost is going to break our piggy bank. So the best way that we come up is collaboration, which is the varieties we can select to collaboration with the movies, the comic, or even the believer market like Motelu. So yep, in order to gain new market share, we need to collaboration. But the next question is which community we should go and which influencer is the best one. Before we go there, let's revelate from the social network graph a bit more. So right now we have our own community as a designer toy, and we will see the expansion into other markets such as Marvel fanbase, game and streamers, and the travelers. So next, my friend's going to show you which are the tactics and the credentials we use to select the best influencers.
Now, let's find out who is the strongest influencer in our social network. The strongest influencer is the person who will connect it, act as a bridge between different groups, and communicate effectively. To identify this influential node, we rely on three important concepts: weighted degree, betweenness centrality, and closeness centrality. Let's explore each concept in the following slides. First, weighted degree measures the number of connections that influencer has, along with the strength of those connections. In simple terms, it shows how many people connect to an influencer and how many interactions or engagement happen on those connections. In the figure, note with darker colors indicate a higher weighted degree. Based on this, we can see that Streamer A, Designer B, and Traveler 1 are the top 3 nodes with the highest weighted degree. Next, the betweenness centrality shows how much an influencer connects to different groups in the network. An influencer with higher betweenness centrality hold a strong position as they can control the flow of information between groups. In figure, node with darker color represent higher betweenness centrality. This means Traveler 1, Designer B, and Streamer A are the top 3 nodes with the highest betweenness centrality. The last concept is closeness centrality. It measures how easily an influencer can reach and react with everyone in the network. A higher closeness centrality means the influencer can quickly connect and communicate with others in the network. Based on the figure, darker color nodes represent higher closeness centrality. From this, we can observe that Designer B, Streamer A, and User A33 are the 3 nodes with the highest closeness centrality.
To identify the strongest influencer, weighted degree, betweenness centrality, and closeness centrality are all important characteristics. So we will normalize and aggregate them as a result. Top 5 of the potential influencers are demonstrated in the table, and the strongest one is Streamer A. After getting top 5 of these potential influencers, next step, we are going to show you the way to increase our market share, which are divided into 2 parts, and it is to expand the followers inside and outside the design toy community. The first implementation must be about Streamer A, the strongest influencer. We cannot go to him directly according to the result. However, we need to find an effective way to approach him. Referring to the graph, Streamer A is one of the Marvel Thailand fan page members, so it is possible for Streamer A to learn about Marvel. So we will start with creating new products related to Marvel first, and then let Streamer A to review our products. This way, it will be more efficient to acquire new followers from both game and Marvel fan-based communities. What I have talked is about expansion outside design toy community, and the third solution is presenting about the expansion inside design toy community. We will go for user A29 instead of designer B, the second in the list, to review or unbox our products, because designer B is our competitors. This way, it will increase our followers in design toy community before the competitor notice it. These are the approach to increase our followers. And what about the measurement? Success of this implementation can be measured in many ways, such as the increase in the number of followers, the increase in engagement, which composed of like, share, review, or comments, referral traffic, or even the growth of the revenue from selling our products. To summarize, we are going to expand our market share by acquiring new followers from various communities in this social network. We choose the strongest influencer with 3 S, which are weighted degree, between net centrality, and content centrality. The increase in the followers and the improvement of information flow distribution will help grow our revenue. And finally, we are going to become the designer who have the highest follower in design toy community. And that's all for our presentation. If you like it, please help us like and share. Thank you very much for watching.